To send money from Canada to Mexico, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, determine the amount you want to send and the exchange rate. You can use an online currency converter to get the current exchange rate between the Canadian dollar and the Mexican peso. Next, choose a method for sending the money. You can use a bank transfer, a money transfer service like Western Union or MoneyGram, or an online service like PayPal or TransferWise. Each method has its own fees and transfer times, so compare the options to find the best one for your needs. If you choose to use a bank transfer, you will need to provide the recipient's bank account information, including the account number and the bank's SWIFT code. You can usually find this information on the bank's website or by contacting the recipient's bank directly. If you choose to use a money transfer service, you will need to provide the recipient's name and address, as well as the amount you want to send. You can usually do this online or in person at a transfer location. Once you have chosen a method, gather the necessary information and follow the instructions to initiate the transfer. This may involve filling out a form, providing identification, and paying the transfer fee. After initiating the transfer, the recipient will typically receive the money within a few days. Depending on the method you chose, you can usually track the status of the transfer online or by contacting the transfer service directly. To avoid any issues, make sure to provide accurate information and follow the instructions carefully. It is also a good idea to inform the recipient of the transfer, so they can be aware of when to expect the money. In terms of fees, bank transfers can be expensive, with fees ranging from 1 to 3% of the transfer amount. Money transfer services can also charge fees, but they are often lower than those of banks. Online services like TransferWise often have the lowest fees, but may not be as widely available as other options. Overall, sending money from Canada to Mexico can be a straightforward process, as long as you follow the steps and choose a reliable method. Be sure to compare options and read reviews to find the best service for your needs.